need more out of you. We spent the weekend and nothing more. We spent the late nights making things right between us. You, yeah. I need love like you, yeah. I need love like you.
Yeah, despite all the mood, this actually shows that I'm in the mood of cleaning. So welcome back to my channel. I need to spend 24 hours with you. I'm kidding. Anyways, the song still vibes. Yeah, even when it's at TBT, I don't care. Okay, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, karibu sana. Yeah, and welcome. Okay, consider touching the subscribe button for you to join the family, like officially. Yeah, I post lifestyle videos, lifestyle food and fashion videos. I post twice a week. Yeah, that's it. I'm Sophia Fadil, and I'm here to talk about something like I need to take like 2 minutes. I said I'll be talking about this in all my videos. Paka keleweke, guys. So I have 1,000. I woke up to 1,360 something subscribers today, and I posted my last video. It's now 4 days, and it has like how many views? I think it's 60 views. And you guys, we are at 1,360 something subscribers, guys. You know, your girl needs to get the monetization, and it's your support to support me gets the monetization, so that I come to a place that I can give you good videos, guys. So I'm here to urge you, first, kindly put on the post notification bell, so that whenever I post a video, unakuwa notified mara hiyo. And the second thing is, make sure you be a loyal viewer, a loyal subscriber. Yeah, so guys, gusa to subscribe button, kwani nilokosea nini? And in case you have some ideas of contents that you want me to bring them to you, leave a comment section down below. Your command, your order is my command. Yeah, whatever you order, I'll just have to do it. Yeah, I'll just have to do it. So guys, leave a comment of whatever ideas that you have, and I'll bring the videos to you if I can. Yeah, so let's get into the video. Today I'm going to do a cleaning that I've never done before. Like, I need to clean this house of mine thoroughly. Yeah, so the subscribe button, your money, just touch it. And guys, I'm so thankful for till this far, even when not everything is good, but you guys have been really helpful to me. You've really appreciated my work, no matter how small it is, and I'm so happy for that. So let's keep it moving. Let's make at least 22 your girl get monetized, and you see the good things that are on the way. So let's get direct into the video.
I don't wanna see you, I don't wanna hear you tonight. I don't wanna fight you, you don't wanna know if I feel alright. I don't wanna just forgive you, I just wanna be fine. I've been waiting for a sign to light up, yeah. And your heart is out of sight, I just wanna feel mine. Hey you, I'm gonna be the one for another one. Hey you, maybe then you'll know that I was never one. I don't wanna see you, I don't wanna fear you tonight. You don't wanna know me, you just wanna make sure you're right. I'm gonna be the one for another one. Maybe then you'll know that I was never just wanna feel mine. Hey, I could become the one for another one. Hey, maybe then you'll know that I was never one. I'm gonna be the one for another one. Maybe then you'll know that I was never one. I'm gonna be the one for another one. I don't wanna fear you tonight. Like me.
So guys, there is this first tip that I'm going to give you guys. The first tip is, when you're doing your cleaning, make sure you start between the two areas, either your sitting area or your bedroom, because these are the places that you spend most of the time from. So as you can all see, I've shown you how my bed area is dirty, like under the bed is completely dirty. Yeah, so I'm going to make sure that that place sparkles clean, for me to return the thing from this side back to its place, and then we get to sitting area. Yeah, so that's the first tip I'm giving you. So let's continue with the job.
Wish all the hashtags, likes and tweets would find a way to get lost. Yeah, and when I pull up to the scene, I wonder what the hell is the cost. And yeah, I know you've never seen nothing like this before. Yeah, but this is different. Yeah, I deserve to find some self-comfort. So find a way to something, and our hearts burn with the heat of 1,000 suns. Yeah, and we cry out loud 'cause we just want attention. And we feel alive from a fake medium. Yeah, I won't accept this life the fate is given. So find a way to get lost. So find a way to get lost. Just find a way to get lost. Yeah, we'll find a way to get lost. So find a way to and tweets will find a way to get lost. Yeah, and when I pull up to the scene, I wonder what the hell is the cost. what the hell? Why you hanging on the roof all by yourself? I have an open invitation, but you tell me don't get lost. I don't wanna see your face. Yeah, what the hell? So why don't we stay out to the morning light? Cause two words can make a right. We're just doing what we feeling right now. So Chardonnay, we camp in the parking lot. Leave traces of plastic cups. We're just doing what we feeling right now. So what the hell? Why you hanging on the rooftop by yourself? Always waiting for the one, but I got news for you. I'm the best that you can get, so what the hell? So what the hell? So what the hell? What are you waiting for now? You're pretending that you like somebody else, like you got boys waiting in line to take you home. But tell the truth, you will spend the night alone. Let's be alone. So why don't we stay out to the morning light? Cause two words can make a right. We're just doing what we feeling right now. So what the hell? Why you hanging on the rooftop by yourself? Always waiting for the one, but I got news for you. I'm the best that you can get, so what the hell? What the hell are you waiting? So what the hell? So what the hell? What are you waiting for now? So what the hell? Are you waiting on the rooftop by yourself? Always waiting for the one, but I got news for you. I'm the best that you can get, so what the hell? What the hell? So what the hell? I've counted my blessings, I've learned all these lessons, and still I'm in bed alone. You know I cherished our seconds, it felt like a heaven, and now this don't feel like home. I was floating high, now I could cry. Hey, perfect life was so close.